Good morning, students of class 7. The subject I am going to teach you all is general knowledge, and the topic is National Parks of India. In previous class we have done this chapter. We have done this quiz time and this answers also. Today I'm going to give you all some more information about three national parks of India, which is equally important along with this chapter. Kanha National Park. It is a paradise for wildlife lovers. With an area of 363 square miles. It is the largest national park in central area with approximately 105 Bengal tigers. So now student, you all can understand why I am giving you all this point. Ranthambore National Park. With a picture queue remains of a crumbling fort, a living temple and three mirror-like lakes. Ranthambore is one of the most photographed national park in India. It is in Jaipur. Now comes the Sundarban National Park. All of you all know where is Sundarban? It is in West Bengal. It is in our state. Sundarbans formed by the Ganges River and Brahmaputra River Delta in the Bay of Bengal. The Sundarban is the world's largest mangrove forest. Many rare and endangered wildlife species call this region. So now student, you all can understand why I have given this 3 points, 3 national parks, the information about this 3 national park, because it is equally important with this chapter. So you all have to learn this, and you all will listen to the YouTube video, and you all can note it down in your exercise book. Any rough exercise book, you all will note it down this 3 points, which is very important for you all to know about the national parks of India. Learn this question answers nicely, students. This quiz part also and this part also. Thank you, my students.